I've been with Dewey Pyle for 4 years. My apprenticeship program was body work and painting. I didn't have much experience besides school. It's nice being able to work, like do body work and paint and prep.
Work environment here at Dewey Pyle is very welcoming. If I ever need help with a job or just questions about anything, people are willing to help me and answer those questions.
I started with Pyle on a dock while attending tech school. The week after graduation, I started my apprenticeship.
What I really enjoy is that diversity in jobs that you can do here. What I find rewarding is being able to have a truck come in that's down, diagnose it, correct the issue, and see it back on the road.
Now, Pyle also offers an array of additional benefits for fleet techs. For graduates of technical schools, we offer a tuition reimbursement program.
Some of the benefits, the tool allowance, which is great, getting your toolbox started up for all the specific tools that you need. The tuition reimbursement
That pays out over 5 years.
Pyle has access to a variety of manufacturers' online training programs designed to increase the technician's skill set. Techs will also receive hands-on training from a variety of vendors. We also have in-house instructor-led hands-on training as well. If a technician wants to learn how to perform a new job, we're going to make sure that they're given the appropriate resources to do so successfully.
Joining Pyle as a fleet tech is an opportunity to join a winning team that puts people in position to be successful.